Hi guys, this is Hakim. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video we'll be building this to-do list app with JavaScript and framework7. So if you don't know what framework7 is a framework that is used to develop hybrid apps, and I have some couple of videos about framework7 which I'll be putting some of the link of those videos in the description below. And also be working with local storage, so that we're able to save the data in the user device, so that we won't lose the to-dos. So let's check the to-dos and see how it actually works. So right now we can actually add a to-do. So let me add another to-do. I'll call it second to-do, and I'll click on done. So it's going to add to-dos, and this icon here shows that the to-do is pending. So we can mark the to-do complete, and also we can delete the to-do. So if we swipe it, we can delete the to-do. And also we can click on this trash icon right here, which is going to clear any available to do. So let's add two to dos and clear them. Let's say to do 1. Let's add another to do 2. Before we clear it, we can actually refresh this browser, and you see the to do is saved in the browser. So right now, if you click on this button, this trash icon right here, you're going to ask us for confirmation, delete all to dos. If you click on OK, it's going to delete every to dos. So this is what we are going to build in this series. So if you've not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing, as I'll be making more of this kind of videos. So without further ado, let's get started. So actually this is the project we are working with. We have a blank project right here, and this is the files. So I have an index.html file, and I have an index.js file. So this is where the logic, the JavaScript is going to be. And also I created added a index.style.css file. So right now we'll start working with index.html file. So first thing, we are going to add a navbar. So to add the navbar, we'll add a div with the class of navbar. Inside the div, we are going to add the navbar background. We'll say navbar -bg, and we are going to add the navbar inner div. Say navbar inner. Then we'll add a title. So this is going to be the title. That is this title right here, this to-do list. So let's add a title. So we'll say title -large, because we need a large title. And inside we say title -large -text. So this is where the text is going to be, and we'll say to-do list. So let's open our app and see. So right now we are going to change the color of this text right here. Also we are going to remove this shadow, and also we are going to change the background color to white. So we'll add a style to this div right here. We'll say background color and give it white. And also we are going to remove the shadow. So to remove the shadow, we'll say no -shadow. Then we are going to, let's open our app. So we are going to change the color. So to change the color, we'll say style, give it a color of blue violet. That is the color I used. So the next we are going to do, we are going to add the list. That is this list right here. Let me add it to do so that you guys can see. To do. So we are going to add this list right here. So the list is actually swipe out component. So head over to framework7.io. There's a component called swipe out component. So we are going to copy from here. See here. then we are going to paste it. We'll add a page content. Forgot to add the page content, so we're going to add the page content. Inside the page, add it with the class of page dash content. So this is where the content of the page is going to be. So we are going to add that list, that swipe out component we just copied. So let's close the ul tag and the div tag. ul div tag. So let's open our app and see. So right now we have the list, but we don't want these lines right here, so we are going to remove the lines. So to remove the lines, right here with the class of list, we'll say no dash hairlines. So it's going to get rid of the lines. So right now we don't have any lines right here. So next thing we are going to do, I want to make this text bold. So right here we're going to add a style. I'll say font dash weight. We'll give it bold. Right now we'll make it bold. So next thing we are going to do, we are going to change this icon to this icon right here. So to do that, we are going to use our material icon instead of framework7 icon. We'll say material icons, and the icon we need is called access time, I think. So right now we have the icon, so we are going to give it we are going to change the color, give it a color of orange, and give it a font size of 35 pixels. Font dash size, give it 35 pixels. Pixels is okay right now. So right now what I'm going to do, I'm going to duplicate this, so that we are going to add under list. The other list you are going to add is going to have delete and mark complete option. So let's do that right now. So we are going to copy from here from this li tag. I'm going to press Ctrl D. So we are going to duplicate it. Then inside here, this a tag right here, we are going to duplicate it also, and we are going to change this to confirm mark complete. Hope I spelled the complete right. We don't need this data option, and we don't want this to be swipe out delete, and we are going to give it a color of green. We'll say color dash green. So let's see, them reload. And also we are going to add a class called open dash more dash actions. So let's open our app and see. So right now we have the mark complete and delete. So we are going to remove this data confirm option. I actually need it. And also we are going to remove for this for the first list. So right now if you swipe and click on delete, it's going to remove it from it's going to delete it. So next we are going to do, we are going to add this FAB, that is floating action bar right here. So head over back to framework7.io. We are going to look for the FAB, that is floating action bar, and we are going to look for this guy right here. Let me look for it. This create, that's what you are looking for. Create. Okay, look at it. So you are going to copy this. We are going to paste it below the list right here. I think it should be here. Let's paste it and see. Okay, right now we are going to add the text, add a new tax. So let's add it. So I'll say add new tax. We are going to change the background color. We'll say style, give it a background color of blue violet. Okay, right now I think everything's okay. Okay, add a new tax. So next thing we are going to do, we are going to get this sheet modal, that is this modal right here, and we are going to add the input. So in documentation we are going to look for sheet modal. Okay, this one right here, and we are going to look for the one that comes from the bottom. I think it's this one. So let's copy this and see. I think this one comes from the top. Okay, this one comes from the top. Let's look for the one that comes from the bottom. Okay, this one, I think this one. So we are going to paste it below the fab bar. That is the below the what is it called, the floating action bar. So next we are going to do, we have to link it so that we'll be able to open it with that is the floating action bar. So to do that, we are going to grab where is it? Okay, we are going to grab this. So we are going to add a class of sheet open to it. So we add a class of sheet open, and also we are going to add this data.sheet attribute, and it's going to select the class by the class name. So let's add it. So let's try and see if it's going to open it. So right now it's opening the modal. So next thing we are going to do, we are going to add an input right here. We don't need this text. We are going to remove the text, and we are going to add input right here. So we'll remove the text from here, and actually we'll make this h3 tag. Let's open our main app and see. So in the main app right here, we added this text right here, add to-do list. So we are going to add it right here, add to-do list. So open the documentation. We are going to look for input, forms and input, and we are going to get the the text input, that is text area input. That's what we need, text area input. Okay, I'm sorry, not form data slash storage, it's input slash form input slash form inputs. So we're going to get the text area. I think the text area should be here. Okay, this is the text area. So we're going to copy it from here, say list item. I'm going to add it here. but we have to get the parent div. That is a div with the class of list. So to do that, we are going to grab this. I will paste it right here. Then we are going to close the tags, and we close the div tag also. So in this test area, let's name this to add to do, and let's open our app and see how it's going to look like. Okay, right now this is the test area, but we don't need this label right here and this icon, so we are going to get rid of the icon and the label. So right here, we are going to remove this icon first, and also we are going to remove the label, I think. Yeah, then in the bio and in the placeholder, we are going to add a text of add to do. I think this should actually work. Okay, so right now it's okay. So next thing we are going to do, we are going to add these two buttons, so that I'll be able to cancel and click on done. So you are going to add input, and we are going to style this also. To do that, inside the sheet mode, we are going to inside the sheet mode, this toolbar right here. So at the right, we are going to add a div with the class of row. I'll add 2 columns. So we are going to put this done inside the first column, and we are going to duplicate it. So the second one is going to be for cancel. And let's open the app and see how it's going to look like. So right now, we've aligned the buttons. So next thing we are going to do, we are going to change this color to this color right here. So at the toolbar right here, we are going to add a style. I will give the background color of blue violet, and let's see. Okay, and right now I'm going to change the text color of the buttons. So give it a style and color, and give it white. And let's also copy this and paste it right here. So let's open the app and see. So right now we have the buttons right now. So next we are going to do, we are going to add this icon right here, so that once the user click on it, it's going to play all the to-dos. So to do that, at the navbar, we are going to add a div with class of right. So navbar, yeah, we are going to add a div with the class of right. Then we are going to add an anchor tag, and we give it href put hash because it's going nowhere. I'm going to give it a class of link, so that there will be default margin and padding to it. Inside here, we are going to add an I tag for the icon. I'm going to give it a class of icon dash material dash icons, and we are going to give it an icon of delete, I believe. So let's see if the icon shows up. Yeah, the icon is right here. So right now I'm going to style the icon. We'll give it a font size of 30 pixels. And we are going to give it a color of red. So let's see how it look like. Okay, right now the um the icon right here is okay, it's perfect. So next we are going to do, actually want to get this icon right here, this tick icon right here. We are going to add it to this second list so that we'll have the both icons. So to do that, at the second list item, so you are going to change the icon to tick. So that is going to solve it. Okay, I think this should be it. So I'm going to change the icon to tick, and also you are going to change the color to green. Yeah, I think this should solve it. Sorry, the icon is done, not tick. Forgot, done. So this should actually solve it. Okay, right now we have the both icons perfectly okay. So the next thing we are going to do, we are going to add the logics, but I think that will be in the next part. So I think that will be all for now. If you find this video helpful, please like, and also if you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next part of the video. Thank you.